But before we get into the product itself, let's learn a bit about Autodesk. Autodesk is the parent company which gives all the softwares, and it's not only just AutoCAD, but you will see that it has a lot of other products which are all utilized for different kinds of designing, different BIM methodologies, and even some which are used in different softwares, not construction industry. And that's how Autodesk has a huge library of softwares. But our focus today will be AutoCAD, and more specifically AutoCAD LT, because this is a cheaper version of AutoCAD itself. So if you want to work along with me, then just go to Autodesk's website and download the free trial, which will be available for 15 days, and you can start working along.